does have a rev limiter. There it is. What's happening, hooligans? Moto Mike 805 here, and it is September 25th. I think it's September 25th, 2021, Saturday, 3:25 p.m. And we're out on Highway 41 or Morro Road. And I was gonna shoot a video on here taking the Repsol out and carving the canyons. Well, this isn't really canyons, I guess carving through the hills here, because it's a nice windy twisty road that they've repaved recently. It's perfect for doing that kind of stuff. But I thought, you know what, I should probably take the Grom on it first and push the limits on the Grom before I go out and try to race around on the Repsol. On the Fireblade. Anyways, before we get going, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, comment, and share, and we will get going. I can't put my hands off the wheel right here. Here, how about this? We'll get going right after this. I think I can. The little bike that could. Okay. I forgot there's some uphill on this road. I gotta watch my 6 because it's 55 through here. I don't want someone coming up and running over me. Maybe this wasn't the best idea, bringing this slow little bike on this road. Whoa! Maybe it'll be fun going the other way. Maybe I should really have the video going back because it'll be more downhill. It'll be going a little faster. So anyways, like I said, we were taking the Grom out, Habanero here, and I wanted to hit this road on it and just kind of have some fun. You know how the saying goes, it's more fun to ride a fast bike slow. Wait, that's not it. Scratch that. It's more fun to ride a slow bike fast than a fast bike slow. So that's what we're doing today. We're out riding the slow bike fast as we can. Oh, look at that. We're going 58 miles an hour. Holy smokes. I think the fastest I've ever gone on this was 67, and that was downhill with the wind to my back. But look at that. We're at 60 miles an hour. We're doing 5 miles an hour over the speed limit. Woohoo! See, I just wanted to come out here and kind of have some fun on this and see how it was. I don't know how. I'm not going to go all the way out to Highway 46. I figure we'll just do a little stint, see how the bike does in the little twisties. Oh my gosh, I'm catching up to traffic. I never thought that would be possible on a Grom in an area where there's a decent speed limit anyways. Don't cross the mustard. Well, shoot. This might be kind of boring if I'm behind slow cars the whole way. I don't think it's slow cars. I think it's that SUV, because I let this Corolla pass me a little bit ago. It came flying up on me. And what sucks is there's not a whole lot of places to pass out here. Not that I wouldn't pass, because it would probably take me 5 minutes to pass if I was even an option. But passing out on this road, there's very few spots. Actually, there is a few until we get to where the really windy parts. We're not really to the windy parts yet. Does this area look familiar at all? This is where I did my intro. I believe it's actually right on this road here. Is this little stretch? Because I could come around the corner back there and then go around the corner here and be out. No, it's right here. That's where I put the camera. Right there. Where that little pullout was. This is where this is my intro. This is where the intro's from. I wonder if I should bring all the bikes out and try to record the same intro and jumble the bikes up in there and do the same thing where I'm trying to race by on my bikes, and then you get to the Grom and it's like put. Yeah, that might make the intro too long. Having to wait for the Grom. Alright, so we're stuck behind this slow safe ride bus here. I think I'm gonna pull off and let them get a little bit ahead so we can hit the corners. Kind of hard to do that with the slow bus in front of you. Oh, we'll stop here for a moment. Oh, let's get a rest too. Let's get a little. Wait, what is that? Do you see that? One of my stickers is out here, out in the middle of nowhere again. Oh, and look at the ground. Look what we got here. I got another mail call out in the middle of nowhere. Purple on 3. All right. I believe Purple on 3. I think the name is Jody. If I got that wrong, I am sorry. Purple on 3. Purple on 3 is in Pennsylvania. So let's see. I gotta know. Purple on 3. When were you out here? Oop. Darn it. The wind's blowing my gloves off. Stay put. I don't have my knife. Oh, you know what though? I did bring something else today. I brought something with me. Let me get that first though. You know how I'm always complaining. I can't see because I don't have my glasses. Oh, look what we got today. Glasses. I remembered. Oh, I can read. I only need reading glasses, so if you think I'm out riding around without glasses when I need them for distant vision. Oh, this is a nice envelope here. Nice card and everything. Hey Mike, what a nice surprise. New stickers, thank you so much. I guess I was still on Bad Mother Runner when I put stickers before. When I seen you stickers before, I still can't read even with glasses. Here are some Purple on 3 stickers and a magnet. Oh, awesome, a magnet. I had no idea Motor Vlogging would be so much fun. I enjoy your channel and always chuckle at your ending. Take care. Purple on 3. Right on. It's a nice picture of her bike there on the car. This is a nice card that she sends out. So let's check out Purple on 3. Oops. Where am I going to put this? I got to find. I don't know how I'm going to bring this back. I don't have my backpack. Purple on 3, nice die cut sticker. Another one there. And look at this nice magnet. That's awesome. That's pretty cool. How did you get out here? And you know what else? Purple on 3. That's pretty high. I don't think. Did you stand on your bike to get that up there? Did you bring a step stool when you got my sticker all the way up there? Look. Whoa, I'm falling. Look how high that is. See? That's like a good 2 feet away from my hand. Maybe you're taller than me. I'm 6 foot. Purple on 3. Anyways, go check out Purple on 3's channel. You know what? I can put this under the seat. Where's my key? Here we go. Go check out Purple on 3's channel and subscribe. Tell her Moto Mike sent you over there. And thank you for the stickers. Thank you, Jody. I'm pretty sure it's Jody. I could be wrong. If it's not Jody, thank you, Purple on 3. Sorry for calling you someone else's name. Another name. How do I get this seat up? Oh, there we go. Yeah, that'll work. Will this fit in here? I think it will fit in here. There we go. Now if I can get the seat back on. I always have a pain getting this darn seat back on. Okay, I think it's on. Whew. Okay, it's a little warm out here. Now I'm kind of thirsty. I was just going to stop and let the traffic go by. Like wait maybe 20-30 seconds. And then I saw my sticker up there. And then Purple on 3's envelope down there. Whew. Sorry, I feel like I'm breathing all heavy too. I'm panting into the microphone. I apologize. I'm kind of losing my breath. I don't know how much more energy I'm going to have. I'm getting really thirsty. I didn't bring water. I didn't bring my backpack. I don't know how hot it is out here. You know what? I should take a picture for Taunt It, because I am, or not Taunt It, Riser. I don't want to get run over here. See if I can get my bike in. Can you see the sticker up there? Okay. Good enough. Back on the road again. All right, we all clear? Nope, car's coming. This wasn't the best spot to stop, probably. Oh, another car's coming. I can't really see if cars are coming. Another car. Another car. Maybe I should have stopped at a little better spot that wasn't right on the other side of a corner in a hill. Another car. Another car. Another car. Okay, maybe. And another car. Any more? Okay, I stopped. It's like I let the cars all get way up there. Oh, there's another one coming now. He's got his turn signal on though. He's not turning. It's a van though. It looks like he's going pretty slow. I don't think I have to worry about him catching up to me. I might have to stop again though, because I just totally kind of defeated the purpose of what I was doing. I wanted to have no cars in front or behind me for a bit so I could kind of play around and push it on the Grom. I didn't think this would be a problem catching up to cars on the Grom on here, because it's the speed limit here is 55, and on a flat hill with this Grom, I'm lucky if I do 55. So I really didn't think catching up to traffic and having to slow down for them and not really be able to have fun in the corners was going to be an issue. So I think what we'll do is, I believe there's a straightaway up here that I have. Oh, look at those cars are turning, where I'll be able to see in front and behind me quite a ways, and I'll give myself a little gap, and then we'll take off again. I don't know how far we're going to go. Like I said, how long have I been riding? I didn't bring any extra batteries either, so I'm not so sure if this video is going to really be of me tearing up the twisties on the Grom. I didn't think this one through. Definitely should have brought another battery, because it's probably, yeah, I don't know. I think I can get about 50 minutes recording time with the resolution I'm using, and I don't know how long I've been recording. Is my other camera still down there? I didn't even check to see if my other camera's still down there. Hey, we're doing 60 miles an hour. I think that van did turn behind me. I don't see him anymore, so maybe I'll be able to, actually, you know what we can probably do? I'm just going to slow down a bit. I'm not going to completely stop and let traffic get up there a ways. Oh, the bus, what is this? What's going on here? Oh, it was a wedding. I was like, that's kind of weird. We got a bus in those cars and people all dressed up right there. Should I go crash the wedding? Wedding crasher show! Crap, this car stopping with no turn signal. Oh, now there's a turn signal. Guess they're headed to the wedding too. See, here's that straightaway I was talking about. This is the straightaway where if you're ever on this road, someone's always getting ready to pull out of one of the side streets. So do not fly through here. But a few times where I've had to swerve around people. Luckily they didn't freeze. Had predictable actions. Great, I'm gonna have these guys behind me. I think we're gonna turn, because I hit the starter. Woo! Okay, we're just gonna turn around and go back. You know what I should do? I should put the phone on there to see where I could probably go back home this way, actually. Maybe. I think we're gonna turn around. Alright, so definitely not well thought through plan. This would be good if I could go all the way, but I'm realizing now that my batteries are not going to make it all the way to where I wanted to and back. I mean, I could probably make it there, but I would kind of like to have footage going both. Oh, there's all that dirt on the road right here. I don't think I was really going fast enough for it to bother me, but I don't think I wanted to have some footage there and back on that road where it's really windy, and not gonna happen today. So we'll do it another time when I remember to, when I bring my extra batteries and maybe a backpack and some water, because right now I'm like super dehydrated. I've got major cotton mouth. But hey, it wasn't a wasted trip. It was not a wasted trip, because we found Purple on 3's letters she dropped off out here for me. Hey, here's some bikes. Think I can catch up and race them? So hey, I got Purple on 3's letter there, stickers. So not wasted, not a wasted trip. Thanks again, Purple on 3. Wow, everybody's turning here nice and slow. Take your time on the turn. Great, I don't have cars behind me again. Look at another wedding. Y'all just give up looking, guys. I found the best woman. Who else is gonna let you have 4 bikes? And's already talking about looking at dirt bikes, huh? Love you, Corey. Best wife ever. Well, alright, YouTube, that was, except for the awesome mail call, or mail call, blah, 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 I can't talk, folks. Besides for the awesome mail call, it might have been a pretty boring video. I'm sorry, but I hope you enjoyed getting to see Habanero. I haven't really taken Habanero on a decent one. We did take him to the beach. That was kind of short, wasn't a lot of them in that. So I hope you enjoyed seeing him. He got him out, stretch his legs. Before we get going, YouTube, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hit that thumbs up, comment and share, and remember, ride like everyone is a hired assassin kind to kill you. Peace, YouTube.